everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about URLs with UTM parameters, what they are, and how to create them using the BookingKoala UTM Builder tool. Short for Urchin Tracking Module, UTM parameters and tracking URLs are crucial tools for understanding your website traffic. It's important to know where your audience is coming from and how your marketing campaigns are performing. Tracking URLs, which are normal URLs with parameters attached, help you measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. URL links with UTM allow you to track performance data about specific online campaigns like Facebook, Google Ads, etc. With UTMs, you can also analyze traffic from referrals and SEO backlinks. To build a UTM tracking URL, begin by entering your website URL into the topmost field. If you're in your BookingKoala dashboard, you can go to Leads, Forms, Options, and Edit to open a form, and then go to the Settings section. And if you click on the Build UTM Parameters button, you'll be able to start building right away as your form URL has been copied into the topmost box for you. Next, we'll need to specify our UTM parameters. The UTM parameters include 6 pieces of information: UTM source, medium, campaign, ID, term, and content. The UTM source parameter is a parameter in UTM tracking used to identify the traffic source to your website. For example, if you run a Google campaign, then you might use Google as the UTM source. The UTM medium parameter is used to identify the medium that sends the traffic to your website. For example, you might use email or CPC as your UTM medium. The UTM campaign parameter identifies a specific campaign and allows you to track the campaign's performance as a whole and compare it to other campaigns that you're currently running. For example, if you're running a spring sale campaign, you might add UTM campaign equals spring promo to the end of the page URL for the campaign. Here we'll put in winter promo. The UTM ID parameter is used to add a unique identifier to your campaign. For example, your UTM ID might just be campaign 1. UTM term is used to identify keywords that could trigger a paid search ad. For example, if you run a marketing campaign with the keyword bathing suit, you might want to add UTM term equals bathing suit to the end of the landing page URL for the ad. Finally, UTM content parameter can be used to identify specific content variations within a marketing campaign. For example, if you have multiple ads running on a page, you can use UTM content like Winter 1 or Winter 2 to differentiate between them. Generally, it's suggested to keep your UTM parameters as concise as possible so they're easy to understand and do not get cut off by certain web browsers. Once you've entered content into each of the fields, click the Generate button at the bottom of the page. A tracking URL with your UTM parameters will be generated in the box on the right side of the page. From here, you can copy and use this link across various promotional channels to accurately track the performance of email campaigns, text campaigns, Google Ads, Facebook ads, and more. So now what we can do is paste the URL into our browser window and actually fill out the form. Submit the form, view our thank you page, and now we can go into the report section in our leads module and view the UTM parameters filter up top. Now whatever parameters you did fill out will be counted into your report section. So for example, for UTM campaign, if we scroll down, we can see we have 2 leads from the winter promo campaign, and then 1 lead from other, which means that it just wasn't designated. So we can view medium now and see that we've had 2 leads come in for email, 1 for other. For source, we've got 2 from Google, 1 from other, etc.